Hello, good morning. Welcome to Breakfast with Nina Warhurst and Roger Johnson.
Our headlines today. Speeding up security checks. All UK airports will have to introduce 3D luggage scanners by 2022. It could mean an end to separating liquids and electronics.
It's Sunday the 25th of August. Our top story this morning, 3D baggage scanners will be introduced at every airport in the UK under government plans which have been announced today.
Yeah, ministers say that the technology will cut queues, boost security and will mean that passengers will no longer have to remove laptops and liquids from their luggage as it is screened. Our business correspondent Katie Austin reports.
A familiar sight to air travellers. Clear plastic bags to put your small liquids in while you go through airport security. Laptops must be put in a separate tray. Airports in some countries, particularly America, are already starting to use new high-tech scanners for hand luggage. Heathrow in London is investing £50 million in similar equipment. They say it could remove the need for liquids and electricals to be taken out.
It's going to be much quicker, it'll be less disruptive, not having to take things out of their bags, and they'll be able to get on their way much more quickly. But it'll also give more security, and that's really important to passengers.
Now all major UK airports are being told they must have advanced 3D scanners by December 2022.
It's very, very important that we're using the best world-leading technology. We will have the best in the world once this is rolled out, thanks to this announcement.
One travel expert says passengers will notice a difference.
Imagine this, you're at the security, you have forgotten to take out all your stuff. So that means your bag full of liquids, and then you've got your computer, and then maybe your telephone is all in there, and you have to take it all out and put each one in a separate tray. All of that takes time. And even though we say to ourselves, oh, I'm ready, by the time we get to security, we realise, or most of us do, that we're not ready, and there's a lot of faffing that takes place.
Heathrow believes the new technology could make going through security up to 60 times faster. Airport operators say introducing it could be a challenge for smaller airports. Katie Austin, BBC News.
We're going to talk more about this story with the Airport Operators Association. That's just after 8 o'clock this morning.
Next, the Brazilian military has begun a major operation to tackle the fires in the Amazon rainforest.
Aircraft